So hello everyone, it's 17th February 9:50. 9:47 ko we went short on Bank Nifty with two lots. Currently we are 1000 rupees down. And अगर आपको chart देखना है, then this is where we have placed our stop loss. And right now, if this breakout comes, it's very likely our stop loss is going to get hit. On spot, we still have some room upside that is over here. And once the trade is over, I'll tell you why did I take this trade and all the logic behind it. Apna jo target hai, we will think about it. We want to find a level over here that is below this. I don't want the day low to be broken because अगर यहाँ पे आएगा ना, I don't want my day low to be target because अगर यहाँ पे आएगा, it's very likely it's going to break this and go lower. Anyways, I don't think gap filling जितना तक आएगा, but somewhere in the middle we'll think about it. But for that, first this level has to be broken. Wait, I've drawn it somewhere. Yeah, so you see this level has to be broken. So until that is not broken, our probability is not on our side. Right now, the way the market is moving, जो थोड़ा double bottom जैसा structure बना रहा है market, it might be a little disadvantages for us. So I'll update you all about how the market goes, how our position changes. So now if you'll see, the breakout has come, which is actually against our side. And if you'll wait, if I zoom in and you look at this breakout candle, the volume is more than the previous candle. So you can even say that there's good volumes. So just because I think that there's a higher probability of us failing in this trade does not mean that I just exit over here. Right now, our losses around unrealized losses around 2,300. And if our stop loss gets hit, it'll be around 5,000. So although I think that the probability of us getting a stop loss is higher, I'm not going to just randomly exit out of the trade. We had a plan of keeping a stop loss that, so we're going to wait till that level. And let's see what happens. Let's see if today's discipline rewards us or our stop loss gets taken out. So if you'll see, our stop loss got triggered, we lost 5,250 on this trade. We shorted at 947 and 959 our stop loss got hit. Now let's move to the trade logic. So why did we go short on Bank Nifty? First, let's go on a higher time frame. On a higher time frame, the level that I had in mind to go short was 36,507. And initially the market came here and it kind of gave us a kind of downside from that side. So if you will see, first we had a small swift downside momentum. After that we had a upside momentum again. And if we look at just these two swings, we'll see that the high of this was around this level and the high of this was around this level. So RSI was also indicating that there's a massive weakness. Like, yeah, this is a lower high, but look at the difference in the strength that's there in this. And the second thing is that this breakdown came in, right? That was a breakdown. And after that, there was a very good retest. So this is where I entered. I went short in the market. And actually, if you will see, the perfect level for FIBO is 36,507. So let's see if the market is able to break this, or it might just if it breaks this, then that's completely fine. That means that my view of today was wrong. But if it just reverses from this point, then it'll be a little sad, because if you are in my Telegram, you'll see that I gave you the dot level 36,507 of uh, Bank Nifty being a point of resistance. So let's see how this level acts. Anyways, so these are the reasons why I went short on a higher time frame. That was point six, I think, point 0.6 Fibonacci rejection level. Then on the lower time frame, there was weakness shown by RSI. And the third thing was the breakdown that took place. Even if you'll see RSI now, you'll see this high and you see this high. Right now, you see that there's negative divergence that's going on. So I'm not very confident about the market being able to sustain the higher levels. But that's it. And then, okay, I'll tell you about my target and my stop loss. So we entered at 900, right? Yeah, 3690. So we entered somewhere over here. Our stop loss was around 93. And if I want to be a more conservative trader, I could have kept my stop loss here. But because it is expiry, I was expecting uh, the first session, that is from 9:15 to 10:30, to be a little volatile. So that's why we were a bit aggressive over here. And our target was open. Actually, we did not have a fixed target. I was seeing what will happen once the day's low was tested. If the day's low would come over here, then I trade my stop loss to cost, and then I'd just keep on trailing my stop loss as the market would move lower. But that did not happen, and you saw that post this breakout, we knew that our probability of losing was much higher. But despite that, we did not exit that trade. So yeah, that's it for today's trade. If I were to show you my P&L again, our order book was 947. We went short. 959, our stop loss got hit. Our loss for the day is 5,250, and now we'll close the day. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.